Hello, in this problem we're being asked to use the change of base rule to find an approximation for this logarithm. So the way I memorize it is I think of this as the top and this is the bottom. So it's log of the top, so log of 83, over and then log of the bottom, so log of 100. Really easy way to memorize it. So log of the top over log of the bottom, log of the top over log of the bottom. You can also use ln. You can type ln 83 over ln 100. That will also work. Just make sure you put parentheses. Some calculators do require it. Anyways, you should try it. Type it in, and you should get the following answer: 0.9595, and it keeps going. I'll just do 390462. Why not? That's how many decimals I am getting right now. So should get something like that. So try it and just make sure that you use parentheses. That's super important. And remember, log of the top over log of the bottom. Good luck.